entrepreneur. Thank you for joining this presentation. Today, I'm going to talk about copywriting courses. There are 5 different copywriting courses that I've reviewed, and I'm going to give you a comparison so you can decide which one is right for you. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel to get more information about how you can transform your life. Transformation is possible one step at a time. So let's get started. So today we're going to talk about copywriting courses, review and comparison. First thing you need to know is, what is copywriting? Copywriting is a skill that is in high demand. It is communicating a message to someone to ask them to take an action. The action can be clicking to subscribe, putting an item in a basket, actually making a purchase. Every ad you see, marketing email you receive, blog you read, banner ad, all of this is considered copy. Even with ChatGPT, something we're all talking about right now, this work is being done by real people, just like you. ChatGPT is a tool. It is not a replacement for human beings. No experience is necessary. Most people who have made the transition to copywriting are people just like you who started out taking a copywriting course. Choosing the right copywriting course is crucial if you want to start a career as a copywriter or use copywriting as part of your business. Copywriting offers different types of career choices: becoming part of an agency, being a freelancer, or working as a copywriter as a side hustle. Really, it's all up to you. This review will give you 2 takeaways: information about my top 5 copywriting courses, features to help you choose the right copywriting course for you. The copywriting courses that are reviewed are the Comprehensive Copywriting Academy, also known as Filthy Rich Writer, the Creative Copywriting Academy, the Complete Copywriting Course, Success Works, and American Writers and Artists Institute, the Master's Program. The Comprehensive Copywriting Academy. Now here, I do need to give you a disclaimer. I am a graduate of this course, and below you are going to find a link in order to access this course. The link I'm providing is an affiliate link, so I may get a small commission if you decide to watch their video presentation. This copywriting course literally starts you from step 1, knowing nothing about copywriting, learning all the terms you need to learn, how to set up your copywriting business, and giving you the basics of copywriting, including copywriting for social media. This is also done through all video presentations by the founder, Nikki, who is a successful copywriter and still runs this as a business. It'll give you information about researching your target audience, optimizing content for SEO, that's search engine optimization, leveraging analytics to measure the success of different campaigns, and each module has action sheets that give you confidence as you learn these new skills. The other thing I really liked about this course was the live coaching sessions and the Facebook group, which is very supportive. Literally anytime, day or night, post a question on there, share how you're doing with your copywriting journey, and someone is there to support you. There's also lifetime access to the training materials. The Complete Copywriting Course. This course provides fundamentals of copywriting. The content is delivered in voiceover slides with real-world examples. It is aimed at busy business owners, teaching sales philosophies and the psychology of having potential customers take action. The course includes 13 modules and takes approximately 4 hours to complete. The course is the most affordable, and it's also the shortest, so it will be attractive to people who are very tight with their budget and also their time commitment. Success Works. This course focuses on business-to-business and search engine optimization content. The agency was founded and offers a certification program that started in 2010. This is the only course that offers a certification that is recognized across various industries. However, this course is very focused. It only teaches you about using search engine optimization and writing for social media. It'll take you approximately 3 months to complete, and as the focus is SEO writing, you will need to take other courses in order to have a more well-rounded education in relation to copywriting. American Writers and Artists Institute, the Master's Program. This course is taught by some of the best copywriters in the world. It is meant for people who already have a basis in copywriting. You really want to take it to that next level. It prepares people for working with a large number of clients and on various projects at the same time. It boasts that it will make you a six-figure writer. Now remember, that's not something I'm saying. That's something that the publishers of this course are saying. So remember, everybody's earning potential is going to be different. And I'm sure on their website, you can read information about their terms and conditions about this promise. This is the most expensive of the courses and also demands the most time commitment. Like some of the other courses, you will have access to a community of writers that can offer you support. Now, I know I just threw a lot of information at you, so I'm hoping that this chart will help. It first shows you the cost comparison, what types of copy, if all types of copy are included, which isn't the case for all of these courses, whether or not they have a community group, do they have live coaching sessions, will you get certification taking this course? And for me, one of the more important points was, can you run your business as a CEO? Will it give you those tools to need to become your own business owner? This is also important if you plan to become part of an ad agency. What's nice is that some of these courses are going to give you those kind of spec projects that you need in order to show that you have experience. As even someone who's trying to get a job, you are still going to have to manage when are you going to interview? How are you going to interview? How many different types of agencies do you want to try to apply for? What types of agencies do you want to apply for? And also, if you're going to be a freelancer, some of these courses will give you the tools you need to make sure you are set up for success as far as your billing and what to price your work for. How are you going to value yourself? So for me, that was an important column in order to make sure I include it when comparing these different courses. In closing, if you're looking for a transition to a new career, this is a growing area in the need of skilled workers with the understanding of writing for both traditional print media and the ever-evolving digital media platforms. Copywriting is an important part of running a successful business, and there are many different courses and opportunities available. The course that is best for you will depend on your time, budget, and intention. The best overall course from my perspective is the Comprehensive Copywriting Academy. This course offers training in all types of copy, guidance in creating spec pieces, how to run your business, and a very active community group via Facebook and live coaching sessions. The founder, Nikki, is very active with their students, and updates are regularly added as this industry constantly evolves. So I hope this gave you some useful information as you're trying to decide whether or not you want to start learning about copywriting and which course would be best for you to get some fundamentals in the business. Please remember to like and subscribe. I've also left a link below so you can go on my website and please join my mailing list, where I'll send you emails about different information that will hopefully help you transform your life. Remember, transformation is possible, one step at a time.